Hey, what's up guys, this is Guy here with KB Trainings. Today I was thinking about making a video on VTP, the VLAN trunking protocol, and then I was like, do I have to make a video? Can't I just give you a link? Because all of the things that I do in the videos, all of the things that I do in the lab are from Cisco documentation. So you should be very familiar with Cisco documentation. This is a spin-off of one of my first videos that I did here on YouTube, on which I showed you my 5 secrets or the 5 tips that you can apply to better get your certification or pass the exam that you are taking. One of the tips was to read Cisco documentation. So you should be good at doing some research online and finding the documentation that Cisco is putting out on a certain technology or on whatever you are studying. So today I'm coming up with an example on that and showing you how I go around reading about something. Let's say I want to learn about Cisco VTP or Cisco VLAN trunking protocol. All I do is go on Google and Google Cisco VTP, and when you do that you have a bunch of results here, and when I click on the first link, this is what I have. It brings me to a page which says understanding VLAN trunking protocol, and you can read all of this. It's really well explained. It gives you so much detail that after reading this you know VTP, and every page always has some hyperlinks that you can follow to be on a different page that goes even deeper. So like in this page here, the second page shows us a little more about VTP. We're talking about VTP version 3 here, VTP version 2, that gives you all the details that you have to know as a future engineer or as an engineer or a senior engineer or senior architect or whatever. So everything is on this. It even gives you some images that you can click on to see the details on it and everything. So this is something that you should be comfortable reading. Of course, it's good to watch videos. It's good to have someone that provides you with guidance in whatever you are trying to learn, but you need to develop the skill of reading. You need to be able to read stuff online. You need to be able to do some research, because as an engineer or senior engineer or whatever position you have, most of the things that you're going to work on will be in text. You're going to receive emails. You're going to read notes from tickets. You're going to read things from executives that are sending them to you, and not all of them will make videos for you. Actually, none of the executives will make a video to show you whatever is wrong with the topology or whatever is wrong with the customer. Everything will come to you through emails, so you need to be comfortable reading stuff. That's why in a CCIE there is a whole section, the diagnostic section, in which they show you or they give you just a bunch of emails or they give you a bunch of text. You need to read through them and know exactly what the issue is and provide your diagnostics. So that's how serious you need to know how to read, and reading will give you that capability of pretty much knowing everything, because today the world of internet gives you all the knowledge that you may need in a certain situation. Like if you're working on something and you have no idea, or some lower level engineer or a technician comes to you with a question, you are the engineer, you are the escalation point. You should be able to go online and read and provide the answer to that. So you don't know everything, but you need to be good at finding answers online for your customer, for your employee, or from whomever is relying on you for the result. So be good at reading as an engineer. You need to be good at scraping the internet and finding whatever you want. You need to be able to read fast from the upper left to the lower right and find the exact bit of information that you need to provide the answer. Most of the things on the Cisco website, if you have to buy a book, you can do it. I buy books too. You just need to understand that everything that is written on this book is coming from the Cisco website, because these are people like you and me. They didn't invent these technologies. They are just following whatever it's put out for them to write the book. And if I was in the process of writing the book, what would be one of the concerns that I would have? I would like my book to be big, okay? So if I have a few things to write, I'll probably put a lot of word around it so that someone that's buying the book is like, oh man, this is a big book. Oh, I can do a lot with this book. I would probably put some information that are not really relevant, or if I had some idea to convey, I'll probably wrap that idea in a bunch of words. But here on the Cisco website, you don't have that. They go straight to the point. They give you what you need to know, and you are good to go. I want to thank everybody who's subscribed to this channel. Thank you for all the likes. Thank you for the comments on my videos. It's really pushing me forward, and I really feel the value of what I'm putting out there. So if you like what I'm doing, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much, and bye.